Ms. Proctor, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
My husband is extremely supportive of the children and me, and
Your husband? Are you guys
my
currently married?
my ex-husband.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I would like to reduce the amount that he has to pay because he's paying more than he should. He takes care of the children's everything we need. He provides very well for us, and I have my own job, and so it would really make me happy, Your Honor.
Miss Proctor walks into the courtroom with a surprising request, not to increase child support, but to reduce it. She insists her ex-husband already provides more than enough for her and the kids. But the judge leans in, curious. Why would a mother ask for less money? There's only one reason. Something deeper is unfolding beneath the surface. What secret could make her turn down support? Stay tuned. This calm opening is about to erupt into chaos.
I have my own job, and so it would really make me happy, Your Honor, if you could reduce the agreement that we have from $1,426.56 a month to $415 a month, please.
Is that what you all agreed to? The $415?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And what else does Dad pay for?
He covers any extracurricular activities that the children would like to do. Anything that they want, they get.
Okay.
And he covers their health insurance. He's an excellent father.
Okay.
She's not asking for a small cut. She wants to slash child support from $1,426 down to just $415. The courtroom goes silent. Even the judge looks stunned. According to Miss Proctor, the father already covers everything. School activities, health insurance, even extras. On paper, it sounds generous, maybe too generous. Something doesn't add up. Why would she fight to lower what's meant for her own kids? This isn't just kindness, it's a cover. What's really being hidden behind all that generosity?
He's an excellent father.
Okay, so you say he covers extracurricular activities,
Yes, ma'am.
health insurance. How much is health insurance?
I don't know. He would have all of the numbers for whatever he says I will agree with.
Okay, that is pretty generous to be covering the extracurricular activities. Is there anything else that he pays for?
Anything that they need, he takes care of.
Okay. And what are the ages of the children?
1.5. I was pregnant when we got divorced. We have a 4-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 10-year-old.
Okay. All right. That's a nice little spread you all have there. Sounds like the Brady Bunch. Okay.
As the judge presses for specifics, Miss Proctor freezes. She can't even name the health insurance costs. Her answer is quiet, almost rehearsed. Whatever he says, I agree. The courtroom shifts. Is this love? Or is it fear? 3 children, ages 1 to 10, and the father's been footing every bill. On the surface, it sounds perfect, but the judge senses something deeper. Is Miss Proctor protecting him or protecting herself? The truth is closing in, and the next question might expose it all.
A nice little spread you all have there. Sounds like the Brady Bunch. Okay. So is there anything else you need me to know before I move over to him?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And sir, will you agree to everything that she's been saying, that that's you all's agreement?
It is. We didn't have a court-ordered thing. It was just something that we came up with.
Okay. So you're paying right now, you're giving her $415 a month for the children.
Correct.
All right. And you're covering all extracurricular activities for each of them.
That's correct. That includes summer camp and baseball and everything. Yes.
Okay. So they go to summer camp every year for the whole summer?
Correct.
When questioned, the father calmly confirms, yes, I pay $415 a month, plus all extracurriculars and full summer camp. The courtroom pauses. Even the judge seems caught off guard. Most cases are filled with conflict, not cooperation. But this feels different. Too different. When things look too perfect in court, it usually means a storm is coming. And as a father reveals the true cost of that summer camp, the tension in the room shifts from confusion to disbelief.
So they go to summer camp every year for the whole summer?
Correct.
And how much is that?
It's About $200 per kid.
Per kid, okay. Yep. Yeah, that definitely, it's good that you all can come to that sort of an agreement and do that, because that's not something that happens all the time in this courtroom, and I'm pretty sure in a lot of child support courtrooms around Texas, okay? So that is good you all came to that. How much is health insurance?
It's $289 a month.
$289 a month. Okay.
Each child summer camp costs $200, and he covers it all, every single one. On top of that, he pays $289 a month for health insurance. On paper, this man sounds like a dream co-parent. So why is Miss Proctor suddenly asking the court to get involved? If their private agreement was working so well, what changed? The judge leans back, sensing the shift. This isn't just about numbers anymore. It's about motive. Is this a plea for fairness, or the setup for something much bigger?
How much is health insurance?
It's $289 a month.
$289 a month. Okay. So, you said you all did, this is not a court order, so this is the first time that there will be an order in place.
Right.
So just so the court understands, make sure that you understand your child support in terms of what you were paying. I believe you said the number was $1,426.56, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Based on that, your gross would have been, it is, based on the documents that you presented, your gross is about $5,000 a month. Your net is about $4,075.88.
The court finally crunches the numbers. His gross income, $5,000 a month, with a net of $4,075. By all accounts, his original child support order was fair. So, if everything's been running smoothly, why bring financial documents now? The judge senses a shift. Miss Proctor's calm begins to crack. Then suddenly, she interrupts. The room freezes. Whatever she's about to reveal could change everything. The truth isn't quiet anymore. It's about to explode.
The gross is about $5,000 a month. Your net is about $4,075.88. So what I will do is go ahead and adopt
Your
the
Honor,
agreement. Yes.
I'm sorry, can I interrupt you for a moment?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really not comfortable with this agreement, but he's really mean. And if I don't agree to it,
I object, Your Honor. I'm not doing
What's
anything.
your legal objection?
I'm on the grounds that it may incriminate me.
Okay.
he has, I can prove that he makes at least $4.7 million a year. I have all the account information here provided to me by his bookie.
Just as the judge is about to sign off, Miss Proctor speaks up, her voice trembling. "Is mean," she whispers. "I'm scared not to agree." The courtroom goes still. Then, boom, she drops a bombshell. He earned $4.7 million a year and launders money. Gasps echo through the room. The father jumps to his feet, trying to object, but it's too late. The damage is done. Accusations of abuse and money laundering swirl through the courtroom like wildfire. The truth, or something that looks like it, is finally spilling out, and nothing will ever be the same.
I have all the account information here provided to me by his bookie. He laundries money, and I would just like to take whatever money you want to give us that's going to make him happy and give us a protective order. The children have already gone to a safe place, and I'm going to leave as soon as I get here so he can't hurt us anymore, please.
Okay.
She's crazy, Your Honor. She's crazy.
I'm crazy, yeah. That's okay, I'm crazy. I'll just agree to this.
So you're agreeing that you're crazy?
Absolutely. Whatever he says, I'll agree to.
Okay, so what I'll do, because you all have been doing this, is go ahead and adopt the agreement between the two of you.
Tears shake her voice as Miss Proctor pleads. "I need a protective order," she claims. "He launders money. My kids are already in a safe place." The father laughs, dismissing her as crazy. But no one's laughing now. The judge leans forward, sensing something deeper. Fear that feels real. The courtroom grows silent, heavy, watching every word. This isn't just a custody hearing anymore. It's a cry for help. And then, the moment that chills everyone, she predicts her own death on record.
you all have been doing this is go ahead and adopt the agreement between the two of you based on the
Can you maybe
documentation I have.
make sure there's some life insurance for the children so that when he kills me that they'll be taken care
Oh
of?
my gosh. Not to sound innocent, but in terms of protective orders, this is not the court that you would want to be in. You would definitely need to be in another court. But if you're thinking in terms of safety, I think your first step is to call 911 and maybe speak to some police officers or whatnot. Sir, I don't know what you're doing to this woman. However,
I'm not doing
unfortunately, I'm not saying that you are, but based on what she said. Her
voice cracks as she whispers, "Make sure there's life insurance for the kids when he kills me." The words hang in the air, chilling, final. The room falls utterly silent. The judge's tone shifts from authority to urgency. Call 911. Get real protection. The father scoffs, but no one joins him. This courtroom isn't about child support anymore. It's about survival. The judge steadies herself, ready to deliver a ruling that could change everything. Will she offer protection, or has it come too late?
I'm not saying that you are, but based on what she said.
He has everybody on the books. I have the proof. I can give it to you.
No, ma'am.
There's
you know
receipts.
What?
I have access to all of his accounts.
No, thanks. So what I'm going to do is adopt the agreement between you all based on what you've been doing. The $415 a month, you will continue to pay that. You will continue to pay the $289 in health insurance. You will continue to cover extracurricular activities for each of the children, including summer camp. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. And I think I need to go have a drink because you guys have really, I'm nervous.
The judge finalizes the order. $415 a month in support, $289 for health insurance, and full coverage for every activity, including summer camp. But behind the paperwork lingers something heavier. Fear, uncertainty, and the shadow of danger that no order can erase. As the judge exhales, she mutters, "I think I need a drink." And with that, the gavel falls, but the unease remains. How many cases like this slip quietly through the system, unheard and unresolved? If this story moved you, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments that matter. Was justice served, or just barely survived?